I used to think the reason why I don't have enough money is simple because I'm not earning enough. But the truth was, I was making some silent money mistake that was keeping me poor. In this video, I'll be discussing 10 of those mistakes and more importantly, how I fixed them. And trust me, 10th is the one that changed everything for me. So make sure to watch till the end. Mistake number 1 that's keeping you poor. Lifestyle inflation. Every time my income went up, I thought it's reward time. Maybe कुछ नया ले लिया, कहीं ट्रिप पे चले गया. The biggest example is this phone which I am shooting from. It was Diwali time. I thought कि बिग बिलियन डेज चल रहे हैं तो क्यों ना एक आईफोन ले लिया जाए अपने लिए. I purchased a new phone for myself and later regretted. Why? Because purchasing a phone definitely increased my expense, but my saving that stayed the same and I was back to zero. What I did after that, I created a budget for myself and set a timeline for that budget. And I recommend the same for you. After watching this video, take a sheet of paper and write a budget for yourself and set a timeline for that budget. Ki no matter at what amount your income will go up, you'll keep the expense same. Trust me, this one habit will save you a lot of money in the future. Mistake number 2 that's keeping you poor. Relying only on single source of income. When I got my first internship, I thought कि भाई अब तो life set है. I was earning enough to bear my expense. But that mindset hit me hard. I got laid off after 6 months and I was left with no source of income. I was completely stuck. After that, I made sure one thing that I will never depend on a single paycheck again. Slowly, but I built multiple sources of income for myself. And if you want me to make a video on how you can build your multiple source of income, then comment below and I'll definitely make one. Mistake number 3 that's keeping you poor. The credit card. I used to think that credit cards were harmless. Just buy whatever you want now and pay next month. But once I realized I was paying 3000 rupees of interest over a single purchase in just few months. After that, I set some strict rule. First, I'll never have more than 2 credit cards. Second, I'll never spend more than what I'll be able to pay in next month. Because credit card can empty your pocket so fast if you are not careful with them. Mistake number 4 that's keeping you poor. Having no emergency fund. Remember when I got laid off from my internship? That was the first time I realized the importance of having an emergency fund. Why? Because suddenly I was left with no income coming in and also no backup to rely on. That was the time I started building my own emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of essential expenses kept in a place which was easily accessible. You think about it too. If the main stream of income stopped today, then how many months you'll be able to survive without any stress? Mistake number 5 that's keeping you poor. Not regular expenses. After the internship layoff, I realized something else. I had no idea where my money was going. On foods, on parties, on purchasing unnecessary items. Whenever I see a good offer, I used to purchase that item. Why? Because it has a good offer on it. After that, I created a simple habit that I set for 10 to 15 minutes after each week, writing all the expense and put that expense in some categories. This one simple habit helped me in controlling unnecessary spending and that saved me a lot of money. Mistake number 6 that's keeping you poor. Delaying investing. Back when I was just started out, I used to think कि 500,000 इन्वेस्ट करके क्या ही हो जाएगा. उससे अच्छा I can party or I can eat a good food. Why? Because that will give me a dopamine hit, right? But later I realized I was doing the biggest mistake of my life. Because when I started investing, I came to know about the power of compounding. Even with 500 or 1000 rupees, you can earn a good amount of return within some time. So make sure you start investing without thinking कि यार ये पैसा तो बहुत कम है. Trust me, in the future you will thank yourself for this. Mistake number 7 that's keeping you poor. Social spending. I used to spend a lot just to keep up with others. Weekend outings, brand name gadget, etc. At that time, it felt fun or even necessary, but later I realized I'm not spending to enjoy, but I'm spending to impress other people. So I made a strict rule. I'll fix a budget for social spending and I will never exceed it. In this way, I'll be able to enjoy and without sacrificing my financial future. Ask this question to yourself whether you are spending to enjoy or you are spending to impress other people. Mistake number 8 that's keeping you poor. I used to get tempted by Instagram reel of people showing their money or cars. I started following their tips, but instead of earning more, I started losing more. After that, I started learning about investing or trading And I made sure one thing, I'll invest only the amount of money that I am okay losing with. You follow the same rule and let me know whether this thing is helping you or not. Mistake number 9 that's keeping you poor. Neglecting health. I know a lot of you guys thinking how health could be related to money. But think like this. If in the future there would be a huge medical expense, then wouldn't it cost you a lot? So what we can do instead is we can take care of our health right now. There is only 3 things that we need to take care of. First, our sleep. We need at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep in a day. Second, exercise. 30 minutes a day for 4 days a week would be enough to keeping you healthy. Third thing is eating healthy foods. That's it. These small steps can help you a lot in the future. Mistake number 10 that's keeping you poor. And trust me, this is the most dangerous one. Financial illiteracy. If you don't know how money works, then you'll always be controlled by it. When I first started earning, I thought earning more was enough. I had no idea about saving, investing, or even budgeting. The result, money came in and went out. If you want to earn more money, or more importantly, if you want to save it, then you have to learn how money works. What you can do is, you can dedicate at least 1 hour each week to learn about money, how saving works, how investing works, and most importantly, the budgeting system. Trust me, this one habit will save you a lot of money in the future. Those were the 10 silent money mistakes that can quietly keep you poor, and the fixes that changed my life. It's never about earning more. It's about building habits, creating system, and making money work for you. Pick one mistake to fix this week. Start small and take action. Because taking action is the most important thing if you want to get out of that rat race.